Okay, we're just going to do a quick overview of how to edit and compile a C++ program. I've already opened and logged in on two putty windows. I could use one to edit and the other to do all my compiler commands and stuff like that. So over here is going to be my editor. I need to go to the right directory. So I'm going to go to CSC 125. Then let's make a new directory. We'll call it, I don't know, sample. Lack of a good name. And I'll change the directory to that sample. And then over here I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to change directory into my 125 stuff. I'm going to change directory to the sample directory, and I'll type ls, there's nothing in here. I'm going to use my editor, which is called Pico. Put a space after, and then the file name I want to edit, so I'll just do hello.cpp, cpp being the preferred extension for C++ files. Start my code. I'm going to include IOStream. I'm going to using namespace std, and I'll put in my int main, open parentheses, let's do a cout hello world. Okay, so I have sort of the basic pieces of code here written. I need to save the file. It's in Pico, it's Control O. That's the name of the file. I'm just going to hit enter. Over my other window, I'm going to move over and click to it. Now I have hello.cpp. To compile it, I type g++, that's the name of the compiler. The file I want to compile, hello.cpp. Just to get a space after that. Put in -o, that's going to control the name of the output file, otherwise it'll be something weird called a.out. We don't want that. We're just going to call it hello. And it came back, everything worked fine, so I could just type the word hello, and look, there's my code that it ran. You can see the files in here. There's an executable file called hello, and then there's hello.cpp, the original code. If you make mistakes, like let's say I mistype namespace, let's spell that wrong, that'll cause a whole bunch of errors. Oops, I exited. My fingers do different things. I want to hit Control O and then enter. I'm going to go back over here to compile it again. I can hit the up arrows to scroll through the commands. There's hello. See, now when I try to compile it, it gives me an error. It says names with 2 s space has not been declared, so it's kind of giving me a hint that there's a problem in line 3. So that's sort of the basics. I'd go back and I'd fix it over here in this window. Right, use the arrow keys. Oops. Key. Okay. Control O. Hit enter to save it. Go back over here, hit the up arrows to go to my compile command. Right, and that time it worked. So that's sort of the basics of how to go and do putty using, how to do C++ compiling using putty and connecting remotely to the systems.